Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set reminders in the MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then look for the Reminders button and click on that. As you can see, you can set reminders to meals for breakfast, lunch and dinner. And you can completely personalize it. You can add your own reminder on anything and set a time for it. And you can also set weight reminder each week. So you can basically just personalize it for your own best way. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.